In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a professional portfolio using Google Drive. Whether you're preparing for a job application or just want to keep your work organized, Google Drive offers an easy and intuitive way to keep all your documents in one place and accessible from anywhere. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive and log into your account using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your files. Look for the New button on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. This button allows you to create different types of files or folders. In this case, we'll start by creating a new folder to house your portfolio. Click on New Folder and a prompt will appear asking you to name your folder. It's best to choose a professional name, perhaps something like your name portfolio, so it remains easily identifiable. Once you've named it, go ahead and click Create. You'll then see your newly created folder appear in your list. Click on this folder to enter it. Now, it's time to organize it. Inside your portfolio folder, you can create subfolders to categorically organize your work. Consider making subfolders titled Resume, CV, Case Studies, Projects, Certificates, Awards, and Creative Samples, where each contains relevant files like designs, writing samples, or videos. Having a structured setup like this keeps everything clean and easy to navigate, making it easier for anyone viewing your portfolio to find what they're looking for. Next, you'll want to add your files. You can upload documents like PDFs for resumes and certificates, and add images, videos, or slideshows that showcase your work. For any text-heavy projects, Google Docs is an excellent tool to use, and for presentations, Google Slides can be your go-to. Once your portfolio is packed and ready, the next step is sharing it. To share your portfolio, right-click on the main portfolio folder and select Share. From here, you can choose your sharing preferences. You might want to keep it restricted so that only specific emails can view it. Or you can opt for sharing with anyone with the link, especially if you're using it for job applications. Make sure to copy the shareable link, which you can include in emails, resumes, or even on LinkedIn for potential employers or collaborators. Finally, don't forget to click Done to finalize the sharing settings, and that's how you create and organize a professional portfolio using Google Drive. With your files neatly organized and properly set for sharing, you're all set to present your work in a clear and professional manner. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.